Alright people, this is what we're going to make hot chocolate for your own. We're going to be using two methods at the winter season. The first method is going to be for the mix, and the other method is going to be on the stove top. For this mix, I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of natural unsweetened cocoa. I'm also going to follow by 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 3/4 cup of instant non-fat dry milk. Then we're just going to stir this around with a wire whisk. And that's how you make hot chocolate mix. Very simple, very easy. Now to serve this or apply, I'm going to put it in a mug. For 3 tablespoons of your mix, dissolve 1 cup of hot water with 190 degrees Fahrenheit. And just give this a stir. So after you just stir, you want to garnish whatever you like to top with whipped cream, cinnamon stick, or even miniature marshmallows. I'm just going to use the big marshmallows, float it right in here. Now here's the tip. Be sure to store the remaining mix in the airtight container or resealable plastic baggie. Now for this optional, you can also put it in the mason jar to label the notes, then write down their names and give to somebody who favorite as a gift. Now this is the first method of the hot chocolate mix, just like this one. Now the last method we're going to do for the stove top. What I have here in the saucepan, I'm just going to turn it on high. I'm going to pour 2 cups of whole milk. You want to bring it to the boil on high, making sure to stir it occasionally. When it's after the milk is just boiled, you gotta use the thermometer to reach for 200 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to sprinkle 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Just give this to dissolve with the hot milk. Now as you stir it, you can see the sugars just dissolve with the hot milk. While I'm just keep whisking over. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm just going to melt it while it's still hot. Just want to keep stirring. The chocolate will melt it into the hot milk. That it turns into the chocolate milk. Look how fast it is. To serve this, we're going to ladle the hot chocolate that we made. Then we're going to put it in a mug. So once you just ladle, you're going to garnish whatever you like to top with whipped cream, cinnamon stick, or even the marshmallows. And this is the finished stovetop hot chocolate. And here's the finished 2 method of hot chocolate. The first one that we have the mix, and the other one have the stovetop. This could be perfect for the hot chocolate during the winter season. So if you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. View always before sharing. Subscribe my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. So as always, cheers!